Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share you guys what I get my inserts. This is a bad week for me because I don't get the greatest inserts that everybody does, but I've been ordering coupons online. I've been ordering individual coupons lately from Clip to Save because I don't know, I find them, but they do take a while. So if you guys are going to order it like on Sundays because they do sometimes, you don't get them till Thursday depending on where you live. But I just wanted to share with you guys some coupons that you guys can print from coupons from Smart Source. These are the Wet and Wild. If you guys don't get enough, I would definitely print some of those. And then here we got the all coupons on Smart Source or redplum.com. So definitely print those off. That's like more coupons that you guys can get. But let's just check what we got in the Retail Me Not. So here we got some Dove body wash and more body wash. $1 off 2 men's hair product. Here we have the Love and Beauty products. I've yet to use these, but I keep seeing some great deals on them, so we'll have to try that out. Here we got Worthless Ads. Worthless Ads. More Worthless Ads. That's a nice shoe. Yep. Worthless Ads. Turkey Hill, which I don't have anywhere in my area that I've seen. And then here we got $1 off of 1 Suave. So that one was in my Retail Me Not. Very disappointed, but hey, just wanted to share with you guys with that. And then here is what I have in my Smart Source. $2 off Biore, which could be an okay product or coupon. Biofreeze, I've never used this. Harbor Freight, sometimes they got some great freebies with their coupons. Here we got $1 off Mitchum, which could be a decent price at Walgreens today. Wet and Wild. I know with the $1 mascara you can get that free at Walmart, but here we got 50 cents, $1 off, $2 off. So there is that. Claritin D, Stonyfield, $1 off any 3. I never get any of these coupons, that's why they have that. Here we got Kotex, Ziploc baggies, $1 off of 2, and the $1 off of 2 containers. Where is this at? I don't even know what. Oh, Russell Stouffer candies. So that could be a okay deal if you can find some decent stuff. Some more ads. Isn't that just nice? Sargento cheese, 75 cents, 75 cents. Here we got $2 off Schick razors, $2 off Schick razors for women. Lysol, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, $1 off of 2, 50 cents, 50 cents. Tang, Kool-Aid, Crystal Light, and the MIO enhancers, and that is it. So that is all that I got my inserts. Yeah, it's not the greatest, but I wanted to share with you guys what I get so you guys can understand. It's nice to sometimes order coupons somewhere else because, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later today for my CVS and Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.